Hello, welcome to Hennepin Marine. This is a 2025 Excel 1860 shallow water F4 with the 5086 alloy aluminum, 125 thousandths hull. Boat is shown in the OptiFade timber paint color, sitting on a Diamond City steel single axle bunk trailer with load guides, spare tire, powered by a Mud Buddy 50 HDR EFI surface drive outboard with electric start, reverse, and power trim. This boat does have optional 18-inch grab rails at the rear, nice set of bow rails, LED headlight, and let's climb inside and look around. Welcome aboard the 1860 shallow water F4. Here at the bow we have a nice large bow casting deck, our hunting deck, our optional trolling motor base with 12-volt plug. You can also upgrade that to 24 if you'd like. Bow LED headlight. This is your port side rod gun box. It does have rod tubes at the back here, and our port side aerated live well. On the starboard side, you have a shelled tray or storage tray with cup holder. Do have the Mud Buddy grab bar with trim switch. On the floor here, you see our our spud poles. Small lighted drain storage compartment from the driver's seat. Back here you have your starting battery, your troller battery, bilge pump, accessory switches, US Coast Guard tag, and lastly is our Mud Buddy 50 HDR EFI. If you have any questions regarding this boat or any of our Excel boats, give us a call at Hennepin Marine, 815-925-7216.